Westermans here again with a Lorch MicorMIG 350 water cooled MIG. This one's got the control throw in there, set up with speed arc at the minute. It's a compact water cooled MIG running 1.2 wire with a water cooled 501 torch. Like I say, the machine is a compact, so no separate wire feed unit, but that way it keeps everything all nice and tidy. Good duty cycle at 350 amps. Machine will also do MMA welding. It will also do TIG, but nowadays really this would be used for MIG welding, synergic or MMA when required. Good solid and compact machine without taking up too much space in the workshop. More details available from westermans.com. Thank you for looking.